Yes. What you doing?
I'm stronger.
You stronger. Pick it up then. Pick it up. Oh, you almost got it.
I can't do it.
You can't do it.
I need the other one.
You need the other one?
I need the wheels.
Those wheels?
Uh-huh.
No, those are weights.
I got a wheel.
Can you lift it up?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you could. You did it before?
Uh-huh.
How much you left? Like 100 pounds?
Uh-huh.
Oh, alright. How much you benching? Like 300? Oh, alright.
Uh-huh.
How old are you? How many? How old are you? 3. Say 3. Say Hakuna Matata. Say Cincinnati. Open your mouth when you talk. Goofy.
I'm not goofy.
You are goofy.
No.
Is your name Dora?
Uh-huh.
Is your name Amia? Hold on, which one is it? Is it Dora or Amia? Huh? Which one is it? Huh? What's your name? Huh? What's your name?
Mia.
Mia? Oh, I thought you said Dora, huh? You're not Dora. Stop slobbing. Nasty.
I'm not